Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let's introduce myself. My name is Nada Hairul Mahfiz and she is my friend.
My name is Devi Nursyah Fitri. We are student of Harapan Bersama Polytechnic of Tegal. We are majoring in accounting. This campus has two places, Campus 1 and Campus 2. Campus 1 in Jalan Mataram and Campus 2 in Jalan Dewi Sartika. Harapan Bersama Polytechnic of Tegal has 9 study programs.
One of which is Diploma Accounting. Accounting diploma is divided into regular classes and extensive classes, or we call employee classes. Here you will be taught by lecturers who are competent in their fields. Other teaching and other academic activities are in Building C. So we will invite you to tour Building C.
Let's go! Okay, first we go to the first floor. On the first floor, there is a hall. This hall is usually used for meetings, seminars, or other official events, both of the students, lecturers, and the public.
Next to is transit or resting room for guests, for example, a seminar speaker. So here there is also BAKEU or Financial Administration section. As the name suggests, they are in charge of providing administration service at the Polytechnic Harapan Bersama of Tegal.
Now we will go up to the second floor. Come on. Now we are on the second floor, and on the second floor there are several rooms. One of them is the BAU room, or General Administration room. In this room, we can borrow the facilities available at the Polytechnic. Not far from the BAU room, there are two rooms for program study public sector accounting. This is a new program study at the Polytechnic Harapan Bersama. There, on the second floor, there is a BAA room, or Academic Administration room, that handles academic administration. For example, if you want to request them and make a letter assessment. Beside from the BAA room, there is a head program study room. Then, there are two rooms of accounting lectures. On this floor, there are also mini banks that function for banking practices. And finally, there is a tax center, also for taxation practice like tax consultation. And now we are on the third floor. There is a tax lab, an accounting lab, and classroom for C3.1 to C3.7. And this is the atmosphere in the classroom. And the last, we are on the fourth floor. On the fourth floor, there is all classrooms are from C4.1 to C4.9.
from us, that respect from explanation or word, we say sorry because only belong to God. And don't forget to like, comment, share.
Don't bring me down. Don't